If you're looking to automate your Instagram first comments for hashtags, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to set it up so your posts automatically comment on relevant hashtags. This process can save you tons of time and boost your engagement, all while helping you stay consistent on Instagram. Let's jump straight in. First, let's talk about why automating Instagram first comments is such a game changer. When you comment on a post immediately after publishing, you boost your post's engagement right off the bat. Plus, it helps you get noticed in hashtag searches. But manually doing this every time is a lot of work. That's where automation comes in. Now, the software we'll be using makes this process simple. The first step is to sign up for the software and connect your Instagram account. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to set up the automation process for your first comments. Start by selecting the post you want to automate comments for. You'll input a list of hashtags you want to target. Then, the software will automatically post your comment with those hashtags right after your post goes live. You can even customize the comments to make them more personal or relevant to the hashtags you're targeting. Here's the cool part. The software also lets you schedule the first comment for the perfect time. You don't have to worry about manually commenting in the first few minutes, allowing you to focus on other tasks. Just set the schedule and the software will take care of the rest. And yes, it'll look like a natural interaction, so your engagement won't seem automated. If you want to follow along, I've got an exclusive free trial of this software for viewers of my channel. You can get started today by following the link in the description below. This trial is only available to you as part of my channel, so be sure to take advantage of it. A quick revision. To automate Instagram first comments for hashtags, sign up for the software, connect your Instagram, choose your hashtags, and set up your schedule. This automation will save you time and help you engage with your audience right from the start. Key takeaway: automating Instagram first comments is a simple and effective way to boost engagement and consistency on your posts. And with the right software, it's easier than ever. Remember, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. Thanks for watching.